am Raj Rosaili. I am from Bhojpur. I am 25 years old. My height is 5.4. My weight is 60 kg. My study level is 10 pass. We are 7 members in our family. 3 brothers, 1 sister, papa, mom and me. My family background is normal background. My work experience is Kilnar, 3 years experience, Kantipur Hotel and Lodge, Japa, Nepal. Thank you.